Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out the latest installment of the Queen's Beasts £5 coins. This is coin number 7 in a series of 10, and we're looking at the brilliant uncirculated White Lion of Mortimer, which is actually the first 2020 dated coin that I own. So this is how it arrived in the Royal Mint handbag, front and back. And I'm going to do my usual thing now where I open mine up, so that if you've got this coin and don't actually want to take it out of the packaging, you can see how it's all presented and all of the information that you get inside. So there we go. Again, the front and back. And if I just slot this out, we'll come back onto this in a second because that's got the coin specs on the back. Split to one side. And I'm going to do my usual thing now where I open it up and I scan along so you can see all of the information. And of course, if I'm moving too quickly, feel free to pause and read it all at your own pace. It's not often that I actually collect the £5 series of coins, but when this one started, I couldn't help it. The first coin just got me, and now I'm just collecting them all. But I gotta be honest, there's not one coin design that I've actually disliked yet. And then we're back round to the front. So before we check out the coin, let's just have a look at the coin specifications. A bit more information there. So the denomination is £5. The alloy is copper nickel. The weight is 28.28 grams. The diameter is 38.61 millimeters. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. Obverse designer Jody Clark, and the reverse designer is Jody Clark. So there we go. Let's actually have a look at the coin itself. And we'll start off by having a look at the obverse of the coin. There it is, £5 with Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen. Lovely. And here it is. So the White Lion of Mortimer 2020. So that's a pretty cool design. Of course, I always say it whenever I'm going through these coins. My favourite one still is the dragon, but of course that's just me being biased. But there it is. That is the first 2020 coin that I own, and of course the 7th coin in a series of 10 for the Queen's Beasts. So there we go. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this coin. Have you been collecting this series? And if so, which finish have you been getting? Let me know in the comment section below because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.